Hello there and welcome back to Between the Keys, where I teach you how to play all kinds of songs, including this one, ABC by the Jackson 5. This one, when you look it up online, on Ultimate Guitar it says G. And it's not in G, it's in A flat. Here we go. Let's use piano, not electric piano. And it goes to D flat. You can actually keep the A flat in the bass. It's an old song. Gotta make it funky. You went to school to learn, girl, what you never knew before. Okay, like A before E, except after C, what 2 plus 2 makes 4. Now, I'm gonna teach you all about love, yeah, all about love. Sit yourself down and you take a seat. All you gotta do is repeat after me. The intro, by the way, goes ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba, you went to school to learn, girl, what you never knew before. Like I before E, except after C, and why 2 plus 2 makes 4. Now, I'm gonna teach you all about loving. Sit yourself down and take a seat. Well, all you gotta do is repeat after me. Now ABC. Okay, we're going into the chorus. The chorus is A, B, C. No, it's not A. Okay, A, B, C, A, B, C. We're gonna go A flat, B flat. By the way, that intro there is just 2 chords. A flat to D flat. But now we need A flat, B flat minor, and then A flat again, but with C in the bass. I nearly said B. It's going to be A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, and we go to D flat. Easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As simple as do, re, mi, A, B, C. Oops, A, B, C, D flat every time. Simple as do, re, mi, A, B, C. Now we go down. A, 1, 2, 3. That's A flat, E flat over G, F minor. And then it goes D flat, E flat. Baby, you and me go. D flat, E flat, A flat. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me go. If you were going around again, you'd go, baby, you and me go. You'd have to go straight back in. Ba-da-ba, baby, you and me go. Baby, you and me go. It's actually quite hard, that part. So simple. Okay, it's quite quick, right? So simple and it does it once the first time. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me go. But later on in the song, we do it more than once. Okay, after you do that first time, baby, you and me go, we get, come on, let me love you just a little bit. It's like a bridge. It says G5, obviously we're in A flat, so it's A flat 5. What is a 5 chord? It's without the third. So here's A flat, take that third out and you've got a 5 chord. Come on, let me love you just a little bit. Come on, let me love you just a little bit. I'm gonna teach you how to sing it out. Come on, let me tell you what it's all about. Reading and writing arithmetic, we're in the verse. Learning tree. Without the roots of love, every day go, education makes complete. Same 2 chords. Teach is gonna show you how to get an A. Spell me and you and add the 2. Listen to me, baby, that's all you gotta do. And it's A, B, C. Easy as, scroll it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, simple as do, re, mi, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me go. Ah, that's the part where it's hard. Baby, you and me go. Baby, you and me go. Bop, bop, straight in. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me go. Bop, bop. Does it come in like that? Baby, you and me, girl. Ba-da-ba. It's easy, it's ba-ba. Counting up to 3. This is a different part, but the same chords. It's easy, it's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody, 'cause that's how easy love can be. Oops, that's how easy love can be. Sing a simple melody. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me. Okay, so it's A flat, E flat over G, F minor, 1, D flat, E flat, and then A flat. You got to get used to that part. Maybe take them nice and slow. E flat, E flat, E flat. I'm getting it. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. So easy as 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. Okay, something like that. Sit down, girl. I think I love you. This part's just drums. No, get up, girl. Show me what you can do. Don't know what the drummer's doing there, but sit down, girl. Some kind of drums. And then we go to that A flat to D flat again. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. Ha ha, 1, 2, 3, baby. Ooh, it's like A, B, C, na na, oh, do, re, mi. That's how easy love can be. That's how easy love can be. And then we go back to it's easy. It's easy, it's like counting up to 3. Counting up to 3. That's where that is. Counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. That's how easy love can be. I'm gonna teach you how to sing it out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. That's your A flat 5 again. And then we go again, round again. It's easy, it's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. That's how easy love can be. I'm gonna teach you how to sing it out. Come on, live. I'm gonna teach you how to sing it out, sing it out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. It's easy, it's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. Oh, getting tired now. But we're at the very end of the song and we go, that's how easy love can be. Okay, we got through it. That's ABC by the Jackson 5. What a tune. Classic old, would you call it disco? I don't know, is it disco? Either way, it's a funky one. It's a good one. And I'm going to keep teaching stuff by the Jackson 5 and many more people. I'm going to do ABBA, Elton John, all kinds of famous songs coming up on Between the Keys. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. And you won't want to miss the next one and many more in the future. So see you in the next one and thanks for watching. Goodbye.